Soil care is so important when it comes to feeding your garden. And the better your condition your soil is in, the less you're going to need to feed your garden. The more chance it will have of supporting your plants, and your plants have a better chance of recovery because the nutrients will be there ready for them. They won't have to search for it, you won't have to add it. There won't be any lag time between. It will be there in the ground ready for them. Your soil will only hold so much nutrients, and after heavy rain or bad weather, it will get leached through. So it's very important to keep your soil in good condition. Now, I've ranted about soil before. I rant about it quite often, in fact, and I've done videos on it ranting about it. So I forgive you if you ignore me at this point because you've heard it all before, but it's fine. But when it comes to feeding your garden and supporting your garden naturally, helping your plants recover from pest damage, fungal issues, nutrient deficiency, supporting your soil should be your number one first step. If you've got good soil in your garden, it's a good foundation, your plants will be in good stead. Simples.